This technique is for the lower leg, which will encompass treatment for Achilles tendinopathy or pain throughout tricep surae. The first anchor is placed around the top of the lower leg, from the tibial tuberosity and around the main bulk of the top of the calf. The second around the middle of the foot, running across the metatarsals. Our first piece of tape using non-tear EAB will be applied from the bottom anchor to the top with slight stretch. Taking our first piece, placing it on the bottom anchor, keeping the foot in a neutral position, apply the tape to the top with mild stretch, and apply to the skin and to the top anchor, and trim off there, ensuring that you stick it down each time. And then we're going to apply 2 more with the foot in that position to create an X over the first piece. Holding the bottom piece on the anchor, slight tension to the top. Again, place it down onto the patient's skin. Then final piece from the inside of the foot to the outside of the upper anchor. Again, mild tension up to the top. And to help secure the technique in place, we're going to seal off the ends of the tape with tan tape over the ends, the bottom and top anchors. And then apply 1 piece around the ankle. So for this, we'll lift up, maintaining that neutral position in the foot. And 1 piece of tan tape around the ankle, just to help hold that in position.